All right, let's take a look at Lab 40 in Falstad. And if you look, if you go to circuits and go to op amps and go to amplifiers, there is a non-inverting, and that's what I've got up here. Do take note, though, that the positive, which is in your drawing, is down, the positive input. It's up on this one. So the negative input is up on your drawing, and it's down here. But that's okay, we can work with that. And if you notice, on the output, it ties back to the negative, and the 10K goes back to ground in your drawing. So the only difference is the values of this and our supply. So it's no different than your drawing, it's just flipped. So you should be able to follow that schematic. So let's just look at your schematic. If we come out of the negative, which is the top, one way we're going through resistor back to ground, out of negative through resistor back to ground. The other way we're coming out of the output back to the negative, and if you look, that's exactly what's going on in your drawing. And the positive is just coming straight from the supply. So it's exactly as we have it here, it's just flipped. So we're going to change this to 1 volt peak to peak at 500 hertz. So 1 and 500, and we're going to change both of these to a 10K. Okay, edit, 10K. So there we go. So we'll speed up our simulation, get a full screen of these. We'll come down here and we can do a max scale. We can change our properties, and we like seeing that a little wider. We'll go to 2 and see what that looks like. Hit OK. Properties. Yeah, probably 2 on that one as well. Whoops. Might not be enough. We'll speed up simulation, but I think it's going to be. Speed up the simulation. Oh yeah, that's going to work just fine. And if you look here, though, there's something a little different happening than what we saw in the previous, and that is the fact that we're 1 volt in gives us 2 volts out. And so I'll let you take a look at that. So 1 in, 2 out, and of course just going through here and changing that feedback resistor throughout is all you're doing. And so again, I'm not going to do one for you. I'm going to right click on this and change it to 20 just to let you see, and I'll let you actually have the pleasure of changing those and recording those and doing the ACLs and so forth and so on. So that's your assignment, and that's how you use Falstad for Lab 40.